I just got for my review this solar step light. This thing is fantastic because it looks really cool. So I'm not going to be, it's not going to be a problem to actually set it up and have it, you know, you can see it during the day and it's not going to be an eyesore, but at night is where it literally shines. One thing to note is you need to remove that little magnet here in the back. As soon as you remove that magnet, it literally will not magnetize anymore. And as soon as you remove it, it basically turns on the system. And right now the system is on. This whole thing is a solar panel. So you know that this 1000 milliampere battery that's in here is going to get charged really, really quickly, even on a cloudy day. And it's going to shine all night long, which is the whole point, right? So it is an automatic dusk to dawn. So as soon as the solar panel receives no more light, it will, as you can see, light up. But the cool thing with this is the throw is so nice. Usually you've got step lights that have like 4 or 5 LEDs. This has 31 individual LEDs that have a really wide throw. And as you can see in the B-roll, it looks fantastic. When you do the proper install, it looks great when you have multiple steps going on, or maybe you have a border around a garden that you want to light up. This is ideal. And the really nice thing too with it is that there are 2 ways to actually set this up. You could use the pull tab right here and a really, really strong adhesive that's right there, or they supply in the package enough glue for you to actually just glue it up and have like that crazy glue there, and you have 0 issues whatsoever. Obviously, for outdoor use, no problem whatsoever. You could have it for indoor use, but make sure that solar is not an issue there. But yeah, it comes in 1 pack, 2 pack, 4. This is the 6 pack that I got. You can get all the way to an 8 pack. But this thing is fantastic. And last thing, this is aluminum, so you know it's going to last for a really, really long time.